NI Silver is a jewellery making business. So basically we've been trying to incorporate anything environmentally friendly into our business. We use recycled silver, we use packaging that's eco-friendly, and anything that we gather here or as part of the business we will try to recycle and put back into the making process. We're also one of the only fair trade businesses in Northern Ireland. I know business is important and the economy is very important too, but we all need to be taking responsibility now. And even the smallest little thing that any of us can do to help rebuild the planet basically and bring some life back. Even things like looking after trees, that will give us oxygen to breathe. Even if people would just, go out and plant a plant in their garden, every little bit that they will do will help the environment to recover again. But anybody can basically do any part of what we have done. Like even the collection of the water, I think is so simple that anybody can do it. Rather than turning your tap on to get water, you can actually just go out and water your plants by just using the water that came off the roof. So when we were having our house remodelled, we made sure that the house was environmentally friendly as much as possible. So the whole house is insulated, floors, walls and everything. But on top of that, we now get our energy from the sun. And even though there isn't that much sun here and you don't think that you're gathering a lot, you actually are. And we can store it in battery packs in our home and then reuse it through the winter time as and when we need it. So any businesses out there, I would say to them, just try and do something small. It doesn't have to be massive. And over time, you can build it up and build it up.